Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Your teacher Sabiha Imran at Park English Link here. Well, the topic that I've selected for you today is the difference between these three words. There, there. Okay? The pronunciation of these three words is the same, but they are entirely different in meanings. Okay, let's begin with the first one, which is THEIR, there. Okay, we do not term it as possessive pronoun, but we just name it as possessive adjective. What is the reason behind that? I'll explain you later. But first of all, I want to explain you the meanings of this word there. There show करता है possession. ठीक है, ये possession शो करता है और ये दो या दो से ज़्यादा अफराद के लिए हम possession के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, they do their work noisily. वो अपना काम शोर गुल के साथ करते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखें their work, किसका काम? उनका काम या अपना काम. वो अपना काम शोर गुल के साथ करते हैं. If I just try to translate this word there into Urdu, so it will be apna. Okay, see the next example, number 2. Ali and Ahmad are in their room. Ali और अहमद अपने कमरे में हैं. कौन सा कमरा? अली और अहमद का कमरा. ठीक है, तो अली और अहमद अपने कमरे में हैं, तो ये अपना या अपने या अपनी कह सकते हैं, इसकी ट्रांसलेशन हो सकती है. अगर देखें यहाँ पे अगर एक नाउन होता, लाइक सब्जेक्ट अगर सिर्फ अली होता, तो इट वुड हैव बीन अली इज इन हिज रूम. सिंस ये एक से ज़्यादा है, दो है अली और या दो से ज़्यादा भी ये हो सकते हैं, Ali and Ahmad are in their room. For that reason we have used there here. Come down to the third example. It is their names are Ali and Ahmad. उनके नाम अली और अहमद है. देखिए फिर जो अगली ट्रांसलेशन हो सकती है वो उनके भी हो सकती है या फिर उनका भी हो सकती है. ठीक है, सो their names are Ali and Ahmad. उनके नाम अली और अहमद हैं. यहाँ पे जो their है वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है नेम्स के बारे में. ठीक है, कि किन के नाम? उनके नाम. पोजेशन शो कर रहा है, इसीलिए पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. अब हम इन्हें एडजेक्टिव क्यों कहते हैं? Why do we call them possessive adjective, not possessive pronouns? Adjective means a word that gives you information about a noun. Okay, that gives you any kind of information about noun. So see, in these three examples as well, this there is not only showing possession, but it is giving you the information about noun as well. For example, they do their work noisily. No, work is the noun here, and this there is giving you information about this work. Work is the noun here, and this there is giving you information about it. For this reason, we can say that it is a possessive adjective. Ali and Ahmad are in their room. यहाँ पे room is the noun here, and there is a possessive adjective because it is giving you information about a room, which is a noun. The names are Ali and Ahmad. See, here there is possessive adjective again, and the explanation is the same. It is giving you information about this noun, so that is why it is a possessive adjective. Okay, so there का फंक्शन क्या हो गया? There यूज होता है possessive adjective के तौर पे. अब हम बात करते हैं second there की, THERE, there. This word there has multiple functions in grammar. वैसे तो ये वहाँ के मीनिंग दे रहा है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी इसके बहुत सारे मीनिंग हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, देखते हैं वो क्या है. If we talk about the first function of the word there, it is an adverb. Adverb क्या होता है? Adverb एक ऐसा word है जो हमें verb के बारे में बताता है. So the first function of there is that of adverb, and it gives you the meanings of at, in, towards, or at that place where the work happened. Okay, for example, I put your book there. So यहाँ पे there जो है आपके पास वो adverb है which is giving you information about the verb put. It is an adverb here. And now let's move down to the second use of the word there, and it is that of a pronoun. It can be a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. नाम बार बार लेने की जगह जो हम वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं उसे प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. जैसे मैं अपना नाम लेने की बजाय खुद को मैं कहूँगी. दिस देयर इज अ प्रोनाउन एज वेल. to introduce a dummy subject. I've given you a detailed account of this in my previous video. There is no problem at all. यहाँ कोई मसला नहीं है, कोई मसला नहीं है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्योंकि एक proper subject नहीं था, so that is why we have just used there to introduce the clause. Next function of there is of an adjective. Is that of an adjective? Well, to emphasize that something or someone is at a place. If you want to just indicate a person, a particular person or a particular place, then you have to just use there as an adjective. For example, the people there are very rude. Why don't you join them? I'm sorry, I can't go there. The people there are very rude. So, what people? This there is giving you information about the people here, and people is a noun. For this reason, we will call it as an adjective. Okay, the people there are very rude. कि वहाँ लोग बहुत रूड है, मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है. तो कौन से लोग? जो वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं वो लोग. Okay, so it is an adjective here. The next function of there is that of a noun. Okay, noun is a naming word. So the place example, I placed it there. कहाँ रखा भाई आपने? I placed it there. मैंने वहाँ रखा है. So आपने जगह बता दी, तो that would be a noun. The next function of there is that of an interjection. Interjection क्या होते हैं? ऐसे word which express करते हैं, जो express करते हैं हमारे sudden emotions को, feelings को, ठीक है? तो वो interjection कहलाते हैं. Interjections जो है वो strong भी हो सकते हैं और weak भी हो सकते हैं. तो एक weak जो there है, it makes a weak interjection. Okay? For example, it can be used to express relief, satisfaction or sympathy. The example which I have written here is there, that's much better. Okay, तो जी अब बहुत बेहतर है. So this was all about there. The last word is THEY apostrophe RE there. Okay, well it is nothing but a contraction of they are. Okay, if I just try to write the full form of it, so it will be they are. Okay, so we have just condensed they are into there. The contractions are used to make our conversation very fluent. Right, so see, they are my friends. So here in place of they are, we can write they are. So they are my friends, they are my friends. Here they are enjoying their vacations. In place of are, we can write apostrophe RE. So they are enjoying their vacations. And this was all about the difference between there and there. And I hope कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and it added up to your knowledge. Okay, take care of yourself and the other people around you. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.